friends, Angela here. Welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. Please excuse my voice. I am getting over a cold and my voice is not quite back there yet. Anyway, today I am going to do another a cloud painting, mixing Satin Enamels, and that's Deco Art Satin Enamels with Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, and that is the Artist Loft of 2020/2021. I will see how this turns out, because as you all know that those Artist Lofts for those 2 years between 2020 and 2021, and it's still up to now, they have been having some problems. They have not been working very well, but we will see how this turns out. Now, as you will see in a few minutes, that the first paint that I put on the canvas was very watery, so I ended up scraping the canvas, the first layer that I put down. Right now I'm just putting down the color paint on top of the mixture of my clouds, and as you can see, that paint, my red paint just sunk into my white. That means that white was very wet, watery. So I will go ahead and scrape this and in a few minutes, and then I will put a little bit more Artist Loft in the mixture of the white to go on the canvas. I will put a little bit of that, mix it up really good, and then I will pour my burgundy paint on top, and then we'll see what kind of result we will get. I will stop talking because like I said, I'm getting over a cold and my throat is actually bothering me for talking too much. And I'll let you guys watch and enjoy. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and all that good stuff. Keep watching, keep supporting me, guys. You know, it's much you support me with watching my videos, the more I am going to bring you content that you like to watch. So again, this painting is for clouds, and it is I'm only using one color, and the white as base. The white is mixed with Satin Enamels by Deco Art and the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic paint, and that is half and half Satin Enamels and half Flow Acrylic. And then I just added some water to bring it to the consistency that I was looking for. All right, so keep watching, and I will see you at the end of the video to show you the final results. It's actually turned out really good. Yeah, thanks again. I'll see you in a bit. So this one here is wet. It has not dried yet, but I like it already. It's really, really smooth, very velvety, very or should I say silky. The clouds are very fluffy, and yeah, I like it a lot, and I'm glad I changed the consistency of that white paint because it was way too runny in the beginning. That's why I scraped it off and put a little bit more, a little bit thicker paint down. So I hope that it dries like this because this is really pretty. I will show you the dried result right now. Yeah, this is the dried result. It's very close to how it looked when it was wet. It dried really, really well. The cells kind of kept their shapes, so I'm happy with it, and I will use this recipe to paint a little bit bigger painting. Thanks again for being here, guys. I really appreciate your support in watching my videos, and subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share with your friends, and I will see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.